Apple CarPlay adds video streaming and AI chatbots. Apple CarPlay is set to become a more comprehensive in-car entertainment hub, with a major update rolling out in iOS 26.4. The new version introduces video streaming capabilities and integrated AI chatbots, significantly expanding the system's functionality beyond navigation and music. Video streaming, now available drivers and passengers, will soon be able to stream video content directly onto their vehicle's central display. The feature, initially available in the iOS 26.4 beta, allows users to mirror their smartphone screen via AirPlay. A dedicated Apple TV app has also been added, providing direct access to movies and shows from the streaming service. This is a notable shift for CarPlay, which historically focused on driving-related functions. The inclusion of video streaming is particularly relevant for the growing number of electric vehicle (EV) owners who spend extended periods charging their cars. The ability to watch content while parked at a charging station could make EV ownership more convenient and enjoyable. AI chatbots integrated beyond video. Apple is also integrating AI chatbots powered by ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. These AI assistants will operate independently within their respective apps, without access to vehicle controls. This is a deliberate design choice that separates entertainment from critical driving functions. The addition of AI chatbots adds another layer of utility to CarPlay, allowing passengers to engage with conversational AI during commutes or downtime. This move positions CarPlay as a more versatile platform for in-car digital experiences. Implications and future trends. The expansion of CarPlay into entertainment, and AI highlights a broader trend in automotive technology: the convergence of vehicles with mobile ecosystems. Automakers are increasingly looking to leverage smartphone integration to enhance the driving experience, and Apple is responding by making CarPlay a more robust and independent platform. The new features are currently limited to parked vehicles, but it is reasonable to expect future iterations to explore more advanced implementations as safety regulations evolve. This update signals that CarPlay is no longer just a mirror for your iPhone. It's becoming a parallel digital environment within your car.